Good afternoon, guys. I hope you're well. Looking on the 4-hour NAS, and our key area over here, the 14,550 level, is standing its ground. I mentioned yesterday, if the daily closes below this level, I will look at this level as resistance, but obviously the daily is closed above. And we just look the 14,550 level support. When we had the retest of it over here, price just pushed below to grab buyers, just sitting under here, bounce at the bottom of the channel. Now, why? When this dip back below here, if it closed below, I will look at price to push up into here, reject as a resistance and fall. But because the daily closed above this level is still holding as support. So again, this is another liquidity sweep. And we look at this low over here as support, just respected it as support. So this is still a key area. Here is still a key resistance. As we know, price tried to get above, rejected, get above, tried to get above, rejected, and then massive sell-offs off this level and buys off this level. So sellers over here, buyers over here. It's very tight in between this level. As you can see, this resistance at this point, I mentioned 49.50. If we get above this, if we get above this box, above this price, push up and reject as support. That'll be when we break this resistance again. But as you can see, it's just rejecting. So I will still keep this level in mind. Tomorrow's NFP, so you just don't know. NFP, anything can happen. So yeah, in the daily, on the daily chart, I'm just gonna move some stuff. On the daily, now the daily bottom of the channel is also holding strong. If we look over here, that was the push down below, grab buyers, but pushing below, closing above. So this was yesterday's daily close, back above this level. Fetch buyers below this level, back above. And we look left, you know, this was a strong resistance. Again, once we broke above, came to retest over here, beautiful bounce, and now we are back at this level. So the nice confluences at the bottom of the daily channel and support, as well as a horizontal support, very key area. I'll only buy from here. I will not try to jump in on the way up because resistance is just over here. So do we get another push down at this level? We've got to get a flush out again and then go. I hope it doesn't just rocket off without us or hit this resistance and crash. But you got to watch your levels. This is clearly support over here. You got to know your resistance. Once it breaks, get in on the retest, or if it pushes down again to white buyers, see if we get the same sort of rejection in this area. But awesome, guys. Let's see how NFP goes tomorrow, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much, guys. Chat.